Hi, is the rust and discoloration ruining the look of your two-wheeler silencer? It's time for a makeover. Meet the hero of your bike care. Introducing the VOC silencer coating spray, the ultimate protection for your bike silencer.
Ensure your silencer is clean and cool. Use a mild cleaner to remove dirt and grease. This ensures the coating sticks perfectly. Shake the can thoroughly for 1 to 2 minutes. A good shake ensures smooth application. Avoid overspraying to prevent drips. Allow 30 minutes for the coating to dry. The results: a silencer that looks brand new and is protected from rust and heat damage.
Rust protection, heat resistance and flawless finish. Get a silencer coating spray at nearest VOC outlet today. Happy riding!